In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable desktop alerts for new emails in Outlook. If those little pop-up banners are breaking your focus, this quick walkthrough will help you turn them off in the Outlook web experience while keeping all your messages flowing in the background. Let's get started right from your browser. First, open a new tab and search for Outlook in Google. This is a simple way to jump into your mailbox without typing a long address. In the results, click the official Outlook link from Microsoft. That will take you to Outlook on the web, where your inbox loads in the familiar layout. Once your mailbox is open, look to the upper right corner of the page and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a settings panel on the right side. From here, choose General in the left navigation. General is where Outlook groups overall app preferences, including how notifications behave. Under General, click Notifications. This section controls what Outlook is allowed to show you while you work, such as on-screen banners for new mail. Find the option related to desktop notifications for new emails. You'll see a switch or checkbox that enables those alerts. Turn that setting off. Disabling it stops those brief pop-up toasts that appear when a new message arrives, so you can keep your attention on the task at hand. Your emails will still arrive as normal. You're simply telling Outlook not to display the visual banner. After you've turned the notification off, make sure you save your change. Click Save at the bottom of the settings pane. This is important. If you close the panel without saving, Outlook may keep the old behavior. From now on, new messages will come in quietly without desktop alerts. You'll still see your unread count change, and you can check messages whenever it suits you. If you prefer to keep some cues, you can leave sounds or badges enabled and just disable the visual banner. This helps reduce interruptions while still giving you awareness. A couple of quick tips. If banners continue to appear, your web browser may also control notifications for Outlook. You can review your browser's site permissions and turn off notifications for Outlook there if needed. Interfaces can change over time, so if your screen looks a little different, use the settings search box to look for notifications, then apply the same toggle and save. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled desktop alerts for new emails in Outlook, giving yourself a cleaner, more focused workspace.